The future is coming faster than anyone expected, and these 11 technologies could completely change the world. Number 1. Artificial intelligence machines are getting smarter every day. Number 2. Self-driving cars that could end traffic accidents forever. Number 3. Quantum computers powerful enough to solve impossible problems. Number 4. Brain-computer interfaces that may let humans control devices with thoughts. Number 5. Robots replacing dangerous jobs. Number 6. 3D printing entire houses in just days. Number 7. Virtual reality becoming more realistic than ever before. Number 8. Renewable energy tech powering cities without pollution. Number 9. Space tourism making trips beyond Earth possible. Number 10. Smart cities using technology to improve everyday life. And number 11. Medical nanotechnology that could fight diseases from inside your body. The crazy part, some of these technologies already exist right now. The future won't wait for anyone, so the question is, are you ready for it? Subscribe for more insane tech videos and comment which technology shocked you the most.